back, guys. So we're out in good areas in Mexico somewhere, and we're about to have a good time. We have the 190 out, the 140 out. We made a very far drive to get here.
I mean, this plant's only found in Mexico.
Yeah, you
can't get this in North America.
No, you cannot find that in America. Everybody can contest to that. So we're about to hop on the bikes, and I think we're gonna go on the river or something. So I don't know, let's go. Let's send it.
Look at what Peter did to this bike, dude. I would never do this.
Freaking ape over here destroying my properties.
Was this the bike he fell on?
Yeah.
Oh, damn, dude.
He lost the most important piece, which is the safety protection valve. So you're kind of screwed, honestly. Hold the brakes. Hang on. Now do it.
Yeah, that's not gonna work.
Just push like right here. 1, 2, 3.
Dude, that's tight.
Did it work?
No.
We tried. Bruce Lee wasn't with me this time. I'm gonna try to like crank long. I'm gonna go really fast, then I'm gonna hide. Dude, I probably sound like such a goof. And I know you almost pooped yourself.
No, I was just like, I knew you stopped somewhere because I didn't hear your bike.
You couldn't hear me? We have word that there might be some nudist smoke around here. Is this giving you a Coeur d'Alene vibe? The nudists. It's nobody.
I think those are just rocks.
It's just a rock.
It's pretty narrow. Imagine crossing down the pit like.
That'd be pretty interesting. I know I can do it, but I get wet. Oh, apples.
Apples.
Ow! Dude, the water was so much higher last time.
So low, it was like all the way over here.
All the way over here. Holy cow, dude. I want to go in the water though. I want to go across the creek, the lake, or the river.
Dude,
Dude, it might be crossable right here.
Don't get wet. Dude, YOLO. Oh, shit.
I literally told him not to get wet. He freaking steps in the water. Dude, Long found a nugget of gold.
Actually, it feels like it's fossilized. You can break
Dude, it's hecka light.
For a rock? It is.
Yeah, it's weird. Is it like clay or something?
It's clay. Whoa!
It's exploded, dude. It's gold.
What else would they have like a ring like that?
What do you guys think this is? Let me know. It's kind of cool. You can keep it for good luck.
I'll keep it.
Alright, boys. We're going to continue, but I'm going to come back and ride across into this water. So stick around if you want to see that action. Probably a cartel house right there. Woo-wee. Gave me old scary memories.
Damn, dude.
it's not that big, but my suspension will bottom out right away. There's a cool little jump right here. I'm gonna do it again. You're gonna make it, dude. No, I mean like a couple feet in. Huh? We're not even a couple feet in. Bad idea, dude. The Karen? No. You don't? On the balcony. No, he just looks like he's on the phone. They're enjoying the show. Hi, sir. My daddy owns the river. Yeah, okay. His mom owned the water. Yeah. Danny Duncan adopted me, so his daddy's my daddy. Trying to go down and go to the right. At the very end. Dude, I got my shoes wet at the very end. Yeah. I did my best, guys. This thing with how slippery the river rock is, it ain't going nowhere. I really thought I was going to make it to the other side because I was already driven in something deeper than that. But, oh well. Now for the sketchy spot. We went to Idaho somewhere, and there was a trail like this, except it was like 500 feet down, and we were there at like pitch black. I'm the only one with a light, 3 of us, and it was a sketchy ride, let me tell you that. If you guys haven't seen that video, the link will be up there. You can click the link. But that was a wild ride, so you guys got to check that out. We want to go visit there in the daytime sometime, so we can show you guys exactly how bad it was, because it was at night when we were coming back, so couldn't tell that much how big it really was. But we'll go again in the day and we'll show you guys. just made a discovery here. What is this? What kind of conspiracy theory is in here? Dude. Dinosaurs.
Dude, there's an axe in there. Look, an axe head.
A freaking murder weapon, dude.
Low key, it does look like a. What is this, dude? Bro, this is a really random like toolbox you have out here.
Dude, don't breathe on it. It'll get our DNA sample. Dude, you can chop some wood with that thing. Ooh.
Ow!
That was loud.
I'm just gonna leave it.
I literally left my truck with the window open here in complete crackhead neighborhood with Peter's helmet and a GoPro. I apologize, Peter. That's really sketchy. On that note, goodbye.
Get out of here, dude.
All right, pause it.